Hello, cybersecurity career aspirants. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Anand Guru, and I am here to help you get your first cybersecurity job. In this session, we will discuss about how to introduce yourself during a cybersecurity job interview, especially as a fresh graduate. Let's get started. First, we will take a look at why we should prepare to answer this question. Then, we will dive into the 5 step process of self introduction. Followed by that, I will give a sample introduction following the 5 step process. Finally, I will give you some pointers to score additional marks and impress the interviewer. Let's dive in. Why should a candidate prepare to answer the question of self introduction? Reason number one, it is a sure shot question. And yet, so many people go wrong in handling this question because of lack of preparation. I have listened to some very short introductions, like the ones that end in 10 to 15 seconds, and some candidates go so long the interviewer will lose interest in listening to the candidate, which will set a negative tone for the whole interview. Another reason why we need to prepare to answer this question is when the introduction is designed well, it will set a very good tone to the whole interview. Also, it will give an opportunity to impress the interviewer and stand out of the crowd. Finally, it will help in setting up some boundaries of your skill sets, and the interviewer will possibly stick to the tools and technologies you mention. So, for all these reasons, it is definitely worth spending some time to prepare how to introduce yourself. Okay, if it is so important to prepare, then what is the best way to introduce yourself? Graduates can use this simple yet effective 5 step process of self introduction. Step number one, greet, give your name and place, and mention your highest qualification. Try to keep it simple and straightforward. Step number two, tell the interviewer how you got to know about cybersecurity. It could be a simple reason like your elder brother suggested you that you should look into cybersecurity career, or you are fascinated by all the cyber attack news that you read or hear in the news. Step number three. So now that you have expressed your interest in cybersecurity, it is time to show your seriousness towards a cybersecurity career by talking about what have you done so far to get your first cybersecurity job. In this step, you could mention about a cybersecurity elective you have taken in college or a course you have undergone in YouTube or Udemy or any other learning platforms. This is also be the right place to talk about any cybersecurity related global certifications like Security Plus or CEH you might have. Step number 4 is to talk about your knowledge and skill sets. That is, what have you learned so far? Here, you need to mention overview of the tools and technologies you have learned, the concepts, the areas of cybersecurity you are more interested in, etc. Step number 5, you have to conclude your introduction by telling the interviewer why you are here. That is, you are looking to start your cybersecurity career, learn and contribute to the team, etc. So now, let me demonstrate how a sample introduction covering all these 5 steps could be done. Good evening. My name is Anand Guru. I have completed my Bachelor's of Engineering from Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering in the stream of Electronics and Communication. I currently live in Bengaluru. During the pre-final year of my degree, I attended a 2-day workshop on cybersecurity conducted by our alumni, and I was fascinated by the domain and also realized that it has a very good career opportunities. So, in order to prepare myself for a cybersecurity job, I underwent training from sources like YouTube and Udemy. I also enrolled myself for live classes at SOC Experts. In the journey so far, I have learned about networking and security concepts, different types of cyber threats, and have also acquired skills essential for the role of SOC analyst by learning about SIM, alert analysis, incident response, and SOC processes. I am currently looking for a job opportunity to start my career in the domain of cybersecurity in which I can continue to learn and also contribute to the team I would work with. So, 5 step, simple and crisp. So, I also talked about some additional pointers and some additional tricks to impress the interviewer and probably gain some extra points, right? First of all, whenever you get a chance, talk about your interest in the field of cybersecurity. Don't just keep mentioning it again and again, like I like cybersecurity, I love cybersecurity. Don't do that. Instead, talk about the latest malwares and vulnerabilities. So, also mention about the latest attack that you might have read somewhere, or any news in the world of cybersecurity, like new product launches, mergers and acquisitions of cybersecurity companies, etc. Also, mention about personalities you follow in the cybersecurity domain, like a hacker or any cybersecurity professionals in key positions, like say Department of Defense or some the head of some cybersecurity in a specific company, etc. Second, second point is whenever a company is hiring an entry level associates, they are looking for somebody who is a doer, who gets things done, and not just a talker. So tell the interviewer that you are a hands on person and you like to learn things by getting your hands dirty. That means talk about the information about your lab setup. For example, your configuration of your machine, what hypervisors do you use, what servers you have installed so far, and what tools you have used, right? So the third additional pointers that I want to highlight here is, and this is the most important aspect, right? So the last and the most important skill that a company would expect in a graduate in any interview, and especially so in the cybersecurity interviews, is the ability to learn. Tell the interviewer that you are a self learner by talking about things like free courses, vendor documentation, using trial versions for practice, and also reaching out to communities for help. So, all this put together, the 5 step process and these additional pointers should probably help you to gain some confidence in the interview. So, that's it, folks. These are my thoughts on how a graduate should introduce himself or herself in a cybersecurity interview. If you find this helpful in your interview preparation, like and comment below. It will give me the motivation to create more such useful content for you. So, thank you again for your time and good luck for your cybersecurity job interview. Goodbye until next video. Thank you.